Amazon has pages and pages of interesting yet useful products, including the smartest gadgets. These days, there are smart versions of pretty much every device you can think of. In general, these products connect to the internet, so you can control them from your phone via a companion app. But we have a lot more to show you in our today's video, so stick around to the end, cause we have some very interesting smart gadgets in today's video. OPPO Air Glass AR. Invest in a revolutionary piece of tech, the OPPO Air Glass AR eyewear. Equipped with advanced technology, the Spark micro projector, and cutting-edge micro LED, this eyewear supports 4 different user interactions through voice, touch, and head movement and motion. As a result, you can access information faster and easier rather than reaching for your phone. Designed to revolutionize how you view and consume information, the OPPO Air Glass boasts an easy-to-use display. Furthermore, the eyewear also comes with pre-installed apps, including weather, calendar, health, teleprompter, translation, and navigation. Additionally, the screen presents key messages in front of your eyes with a brightness of up to 3 million nits. Additionally, OPPO's self-developed Spark micro projector is the size of a coffee bean to create a lightweight, functional pair of glasses. This projector features a CNC metal enclosure to provide exceptional heat displacement and stability. LG StanbyME battery-powered TV. Watch TV anywhere, in the corner of a room, etc. with the LG StanbyME battery-powered TV. Without any cords to restrict you and a wheelable, height-adjustable stand, you can watch content for up to 3 hours in a location of your choosing. It's the solution to TV freedom. The LG StanbyME, which has a 27-inch screen, features a touchscreen interface, so you can stream material from Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, and more. It even supports smartphone mirroring. Moreover, this battery-powered TV can help you work more productively at home by mirroring your laptop's content on a bigger screen, thanks to the USB and HDMI connections. Or transform it into a learning screen to study wherever you choose. And since the stand is height adjustable, you can customize it to suit your environment and height. Finally, it includes 2 screen modes, horizontal and landscape. LG TIiun Indoor Gardening Appliance. Enjoy fresh veggies and beautiful flowers the easy way with LG TIiun Indoor Gardening Appliance. It provides all of the benefits of an outdoor garden without the worries of climates, maintenance, or pests. The LG TIiun features 2 shelves that can accommodate up to 6 all-in-one seed packages and various seed kits. Best of all, each seed package contains 10 holes for seed germination, enabling you to create homegrown goodness in just 4 to 8 weeks. Moreover, this indoor gardening appliance uses the flexible weather control system to adjust the internal temperature for optimal conditions and organic growth. It also regulates the temperature and light automatically to mirror the natural cycle of the day. Finally, this smart garden requires minimal maintenance thanks to its smart watering system. This delivers water 8 times a day every 24 hours for the ideal amount of moisture. Evvr Pad S Home Automation Control Pad. Control smart devices in your home with one single device, the Evvr Pad S Home Automation Control Pad. It replaces light switches and multiple control systems with one gadget that resembles a picture frame. In fact, this home automation control pad allows you to use touch and voice controls without the need for dozens of apps on your phone. For example, adjust lights, manage your home's heating and cooling system, control your home security system, and more. Use it at home, in the office, or in hotels for seamless connectivity at the single press of a button. In particular, it's great for guests in a hotel as you can control the temperature, lights, alarm clock, and window blinds from one device. Finally, when not in use, it doubles as a digital photo frame to blend into your home's decor. Yukai Engineering AMAGAMI Ham. Relax after a stressful day with the Yukai Engineering AMAGAMI Ham comforting pet robot. This cuddly gadget mimics the motions of a pet or a baby nibbling on your fingers with their teeth. It's a pleasant sensation that communicates emotions. But while you might want to discourage the habit in a pet or baby, it's something you can experience over and over again with this cuddly robot. Simply insert your fingers in its nibbling mouth for a fun play-biting experience. Meanwhile, the robot's algorithm selects one of 24 play-biting patterns, so your experience is a surprise. Moreover, you'll love the cute stuffed animal designs of these pet robots. Ease the stress and let the happy emotions flow with this adorable pet robot. Kohler PerfectFill Smart Bathing Device Controls. Sink into a freshly prepared bath without lifting a finger with the Kohler PerfectFill Smart Bathing Device. Featuring built-in voice assistance, you can control how your bathtub fills, heats, and drains via voice command. The Kohler PerfectFill will add ease and convenience to your life. Imagine running a bath for your child while you're downstairs cooking dinner. Consisting of a drain kit and a digital valve that works together, it'll run your preferred depth and temperature. Actronika Skinetic Haptic VR Vest. Enhance your gaming experience with the Actronika Skinetic Haptic VR Vest. This wearable allows you to see, touch, and hear all events occurring in virtual reality for an incomparable gaming session. Moreover, this haptic VR vest features 20 highly innovative voice coil motors throughout the torso to provide a wide variety of tactile sensations. To create a realistic experience, the designers optimized the feeling and perception of effects and games, so it will truly feel like you're in the heart of the action. Sunveno New Ergonomic Baby Carrier. Hold your child in comfort with the Sunveno New Ergonomic Baby Carrier. Not only does it keep them secure, but it also keeps them comfortable. Suitable for children up to 36 months in age and fewer than 20 kilograms in weight, it adjusts effortlessly as your baby grows. Moreover, you can even use the hip seat to give your child a break from walking. Virtue One Wearable Gaming Glasses. Game anywhere with the Virtue One wearable gaming glasses. Boasting a 120-inch pixel-free portable virtual screen, they have dual 1080p 60 frame per second 55 ppd lenses. Moreover, this cloud gaming gadget lets you enjoy AAA apps such as Stadio, Parsec, and Shadow, and titles like Elden Ring, NBA 2K, Spider-Man, The Witcher 3, and more. It also works with PlayStation, Xbox, PC Remote Play, and Switch. STEM Hub M1 STEM Car AI Education Robot. Learn in a fun way with the STEM Hub M1 STEM Car AI Educational Robot. This programmable teaching tool has two sensors, an ultrasonic sensor and a line-following sensor. The former helps with obstacle avoidance, and the latter helps it follow specific paths. Additionally, this 4x4 vehicle has powerful, quick-moving wheels. In fact, you can use this fun STEM tool both indoors and out for a versatile education experience. More than just a trickster, the M1 STEM car can also deliver objects. Gaze Smart EDC Travel Gadget. Keep a watchful eye over your belongings wherever you go with the Gaze Smart EDC Travel Gadget. This security device helps guard your personal items, preventing theft from happening in the first place. Providing both passive and active protection, this gadget captures everything in its immediate surroundings and sounds an alarm if any abnormal movement is detected. It notifies you when someone approaches your item, whether it's a bicycle or a backpack. ChouBox Automatic Litter Box. Upgrade your cat's experience with ChouBox Automatic Litter Box. This smart device has a super large 188-inch squared opening that makes entering and exiting comfortable for your cat. Furthermore, the 10-liter waste drawer ensures there's enough storage space for all breeds and sizes, freeing you from up to 2 weeks of cleaning. With 7 infrared safety sensors, it also stops cleaning when it senses your cat's presence. Netgear Meural Canvas II Digital Frame. Show off your NFTs and crypto art in the Netgear Meural Canvas II Digital Frame. With async art compatibility, it showcases programmable NFT artwork, which updates your mural throughout the day. It comes in 16 by 24 inches and 19 by 29 inch sizes, as well as black, white, dark wood, and light wood. Moreover, it lets you curate your artwork based on style, season, time of day, or mood, so you can showcase your best shots without going through the hassle of printing and framing. Eveia Energy Pedal-Powered USB Charger. Change the way you power up your everyday gadgets with the Eveia Energy Pedal-Powered USB Charger. With this device, you can not only reach your 10,000 steps goal, but also sit down while doing it. You won't even have to think about it. Yet it will make the time you spend sitting down, whether working or relaxing, so much more fun. When you pedal, it produces the energy required to charge your USB devices. YesWelder Firstess CT2050 7-in-1 welder and cutter. Get support for your advanced welding needs with the YesWelder Firstess CT2050 7-in-1 welder and cutter. In fact, ideal for pros and newbies alike, it even supports AC TIG welding. With a built-in air compressor, it gives you maximum portability in a fairly compact device. Combining power welding and cutting tools, this easy-to-use professional machine is a workhorse. Groomie Baldie Pro. The Groomie Baldie Pro electric head and body shaver features smooth shave technology, allowing for a smooth, close shave. It's designed especially for bald heads, chests, and legs. Its 10,000 RPM motor, smart LED display, and long-lasting lithium battery make it one of the most advanced shavers available for both bald men and women. With just a few minutes of use, this head shaver will leave your scalp and body feeling super smooth, fresh, and clean. Reviiv Knee Plus Joint Pain Reliever. Get true relief from your agony with the Reviiv Knee Plus Joint Pain Reliever. Delivering a targeted, exact dosage every time you use it, this wearable device is an ideal way to treat pain at home. It uses both LED and next-generation laser light therapy. Additionally, it supports the growth of your blood vessels and cartilage. In fact, it helps reduce inflammation and supports your body's unique healing process. V8 Engine Block Pen Holder. Add the V8 Engine Block Pen Holder to your space for a true statement piece. The miniature product goes through a precision machining process in the United States. Choose from a machine finish or bead-blasted look depending on your aesthetic preferences. Additionally, it has removable pen liners in sizes small, medium, and large. This ensures to keep most writing instruments, from thin ballpoints to thick Sharpies, secure in place. Crafted from one piece of aluminum on a Hurco VM10 UI 5-axis machining center, it incorporates multiple intricacies. Microsoft Surface Hub 2 Smart Camera. Undergo remote video conference with Microsoft Smart Hub 2 Smart Camera. It uses AI to dynamically reframe whenever the presenter moves around, more people enter the room, or a new person interacts. As a result, you don't need to adjust the lens to create a more professional remote meeting. This device also features a 130-degree wide field of view, high-quality glass optics, digital pan-tilt zoom, and a low-light sensor. TACH Connectable Luggage patented modern travel system. Make your life easier when you travel with the TACH Connectable Luggage patented modern travel system. With a patented connecting system, it lets you easily connect and disconnect suitcases in seconds. It works with strategic D-rings and adjustable pull straps, allowing you to pull up to 9 fully loaded suitcases with ease. So you don't need to deal with finding and paying for a luggage cart or hiring a porter. Conveniently, the pull strap significantly reduces rolling friction, letting you take full strides. MetMo Driver Compact High Torque Driver. Providing more than just a tool, the MetMo Driver Compact High Torque Driver is also a fidget toy. Delivering a satisfying drive experience, it's an upgrade from the often-used screwdriver. A powerful tool that's fun to use, it draws its inspiration from an antique design. As a piece of re-engineered history, this gadget is built from scratch with modern materials and a sleek design. Additionally, MetMo Driver can handle as much weight as a baby elephant. Volt Modular EDC Organizer. Sort your everyday gear with ease using the Volt Modular EDC Organizer. With a quality, durable design, it consists of 1000D ballistic nylon, YKK zippers, and a Duraflex buckle. Additionally, its modular design organizes and packs all your EDC items in designated spots. In fact, it works in several configurations. The modular case lets you set it up the way that's best for you. Inspired by the idea of books' pages, the modular interior lets you configure it in a number of ways using removable flex panels. HOKOLITE 210-degree beam headlamp boasts. See clearly in the dark with the HOKOLITE 210-degree beam headlamp. This next-gen headlamp has a wide beam that makes it easy to take in all of your surroundings. That's thanks to its COB wide beam technology, helping keep you safe while you camp or run in the dark. Furthermore, it delivers a whopping 1200 lumens of brightness and has a motion sensor as well. With a lightweight and waterproof design, it's ideal for use outdoors and for long periods of time. Kneeflow Massage Therapy Device. Set aside 10 to 15 minutes a day to take care of your knees with the Kneeflow Massage Therapy Device. Offering soft massage airbags, infrared light and heat therapy, and magnetic stone therapy, it provides a preventative care solution. Moreover, the device offers pain relief for those daily activities and physical tasks that get you down. Whether you have knee degeneration or osteoarthritis, Kneeflow fully wraps around your knee. Gen 2 420 to 800mm HD telephoto zoom lens. Enhance your photos with the Gen 2 420 to 800mm HD telephoto zoom lens. Developed by a company with more than 15 years of experience, this lens ensures you get high quality and optimal consistency. Designed for both professional and novices alike, this super telephoto zoom lens delivers the sharp precision you need. In fact, you'll love its long-range performance and image quality. It somehow keeps your gear costs low while improving the result. Crafted with a super strong full metal body, it weighs only 1.8 pounds, making it easy to take with you anywhere. Canary Bird Air Quality Monitor Senses. Add a unique design touch with useful features to your home when you install the Canary Bird Air Quality Monitor. With a wall mount installation, it looks like a bird, specifically a canary, perched in your living room or other space. As a smart device with a unique look, it turns upside down if it senses CO2 in the air. While it may be kind of sad to see a dead bird, it gets your attention that the potential fatal gas is in your home. Macroact Maicat Companion AI Robot Cat. Welcome a cute, intelligent pet into your home with the Macroact Maicat Companion AI Robot Cat. This robot pet actually adapts to its environment, remembers familiar faces, and senses your emotions. With mobility and passive and active sensors, Maicat navigates around your house with ease. LumaCare Duo Handheld Low-Level Laser Therapy Treats Pain. Treat yourself with the LumaCare Duo Handheld Low-Level Laser Therapy device. If you suffer from pain due to acute or chronic injuries, it provides targeted and effective treatment right where you need it. Totally drug-free and non-invasive, it has 2 emitter heads for quick results. So you will actually save time by using it. Simply adjust the 2 actuating arms and the dual rotational emitter heads depending on the area you want to treat. Then angle the therapeutic laser light at your injured tissue from both directions. This focuses both infrared and visible red light over a wider area of your body. Alternatively, use only 1 emitter head if you prefer.